I'm Kelly Austin. I'm the Airframe Powerplant Instructor here at UTI in Avondale. How I got into it was I got a Black Hawk helicopter ride when I was like 19, 20. I just had a love for flying. And my sergeant major actually pushed it because I was a female. He goes, we don't have any other females that are doing this. When I say you're a flyer, that means you're an actual flying mechanic. So that means whatever that helicopter is doing, the airspace that's around the helicopter where pilots can't see, you're clearing that aircraft when they're flying. As far as a safety standpoint, I loved all my pilots. You care more because you don't want anything to happen to those pilots. It's humbling of the maintenance you're doing and you're taking care of who's on them. You want them to be prepared for the real world because you're not going to get all this book stuff to teach them. You're not going to see all the book stuff when you get to your aircraft because you're going to work on multiple aircraft. When females come into this and they get nervous because it's male dominated, it's okay to be scared. It's okay to be scared because it's a lot of responsibility. But you need to have that intestinal fortitude and that drive to go beyond that, push past that and go, I'm going to fight and I'm going to do this. You will get there. You just cannot give up and you keep trying. Do not let that fear stop you from doing it.